Hello guys, welcome to Index Trader channel. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty this week, how the setups looks like and how far our previous week analysis went and how those worked out, how whether the levels have been followed or not and what exactly the setup tells. We will go through the analysis in detail. Let's start our analysis. So first we discuss about our first setup, that is the EMA setup, moving average setup. So in this setup we had discussed that the Nifty is in consolidation phase and it consolidated a bit. It went up and it went down in 1040 level, and then it went up because of the news and other factors. But overall Nifty was in a consolidation, and we can see that the moving average EMA 20 had become flat, and right now it is moving towards downside. And EMA 40, it acts as a resistance. It acted as a resistance, and we saw that the price get rejected whenever it went near EMA 40. And now currently the price for the past 2 days, even 3 days, tends to move towards downside. So the possibility of moving towards downside is more compared to the upside because of the resistance and also the big red candles. So that is what been seen in this setup, and we can compare it with the other indicators also. We can go through that. See, the indicator, the RSI is also moving towards downside. That is what clearly seen. And the Vortex indicator, there is a crossover. And one more thing, Nifty was trading in a box. We can see here, this box contains lot of red candles compared to green candles. So that also confirmed that Nifty was in a consolidation phase, touching the upper side of the box and then downside of the box, and now breaking this box can lead to downside. This setup has showing. So now we move on to the next setup, that is a Fibonacci setup. In this Fibonacci setup we can see Nifty could not cross the 61.8% level, and we can see there is a strong selling pressure here, and Nifty could not move upside, and this is moving towards the next support level, that levels Nifty can move towards it. So that is what this setup is also confirming. So now we move towards the third setup, that is the price action. So here you can see that our red zone is continuously acting as a strong resistance zone, and whenever the price the index move towards that, it gets rejected and moves down to the support area, acting as a strong support area. This one is acting as a strong resistance, and here is acting as a strong support area, and here acting as a support right now. And also last week we discussed that this will act as a strong resistance, and previously it was a support, now it acting as a strong resistance, and the price cannot move above this trend line. So that is what this price action is giving a view. And also 8800 will be the next support level. It's what visible in this price action. So let us get confirmed with other data also. So we will move on to the next setup, that is the option chain analysis. So this is this week option chain, that is 21st May 2020. The price closed 9136, that is lesser than the previous day. And here we can see that the call side is very strong and the put side is very weak. Here we can't see anything above 10 lakh contracts, but here we can see that there are at 10,000 level, 9,500 level, 9,400 and even 9,300 also we can see about 10 lakh contracts in this week setup. And here we can see the support point is at 9,000 level writing here, and in between we can say 8,900, 8,900, 800. So here also some kind of put writing can be seen on Friday. But overall, if we can see, the call side is stronger than the put side. And also one more thing, the 9200 level also, the call writing is been built here. We can see it is moving towards 10 lakhs. So 9200 will be acting as a strong resistance, and here 9100 there was some put writing, and this also can act as a support. So that is the reason Nifty could not fall beyond 9100, even though it went down near 9000, but it got support near that, and it was above 9100. That is what visible in the price action. So two things we need to note down. So 9200 level and 9100 level. If the put writing keeps on increasing in the 9100 level, then we can say that the price can move up. But if continuously 9200 levels call writing happen, then the price will definitely move down. So that can be seen in this week. But overall we can say that the call side is strong compared to the put side. So the moving towards of 9000 is what visible in this option chain, 800 or 8500. So that will depend upon the price action movement. But overall what we have seen in the price action is moving towards downside is what get confirmed in this option chain also. Now we move down to the FII data. Cash data, they are keep on selling. Their selling is getting increased every day. That's what visible in here. In the past 3-4 days they keep on selling, and the DIIs is buying, but that buying is not enough to support the selling, to resist the selling. So that's what clear on this cash data. In the future and option data also, FIIs are increasing their future short positions. That also confirming a bearish sign this week. Now we will move on to the intraday setup, what we discussed last week, and exactly it happened. And this green zone acting as a strong support area. Now this green zone moved little bit downside, and this red zone has increased a bit. We can say this 9192 level will become a strong resistance zone, and here a sell-off zone we can say. Even the expiry day also there was a strong selling happened here. The price was pushed towards 9150, and again Friday we saw it was a selling, and it took support near 9050. Earlier also it took support near 9050 levels. So that is what clear. So now breaking this green zone will definitely take this to 8900 and then 8800 level. That is what visible in the intraday setup. So to complete the big triangle here, it likes it towards this, the triangle will get filled. That is what visible in this intraday setup. So one can take trade according to this, and also keep watching the option chain. So hope you like this video and share it to your fellow traders, and subscribe to our channel, and this similar kind of videos will continue to post. Thank you very much for watching this.